So you're new to gardening and you're not exactly sure when to start gardening. In this video, I am going to answer that question for you. Hello everyone, warm welcome back to my channel. Yaje here, and as always I am super excited to share with you another gardening video. Today's video is going to answer the question when to start gardening outdoors. You can definitely start your seeds indoors around January or February, but when it comes to when to plant your vegetables outside in the garden, the timing is extremely important. If you do it too early when it's still cold, your plants are going to struggle and they might even die or not produce well. If you also wait too late in the season, it might get very hot and that heat might kill some of your plants. Plus, you want to make sure that you're maximizing the short window of time that we have out here in the diaspora. I'm talking people outside of Africa, to grow a garden, because back in Africa where I'm originally from, we can basically grow a garden throughout the year because we don't have to deal with winter and fall colder temperatures, right? But out here in the diaspora, we have to deal with winter, we have to deal with fall, and therefore our growing season is not that long. So we want to time that starting of our garden so that we are making the best use of the gardening season. So when is the best time to grow your vegetables outside? The best time to start your outdoor garden will be about 2 weeks after the last frost date. This last frost date is something that you really need to know if you are a gardener or if you want to be successful at gardening. Go to Google, just type last frost date and type your city and something will come up. You will know when that last frost date is for you for that particular year. For me, I have been gardening here in Zone 9A. I'm in Houston, Texas for so many years, and usually around mid-March, like in the middle of March, the frost is behind us, cold weather is behind us, and we can start gardening from around the 15th, like after spring break. If you don't want to do the math, just think about when you have spring break in your area, and then if you can start your garden about a week or so after that, your garden would usually be successful. Now, if you decide to plant your vegetables or your peppers before it is actually warm outside, your plants are going to struggle, or you might end up dealing with a lot of bugs in the garden, snails, things like that, those biting insects. The moment you put something green out there, they're going to come out and they will attack your plants, and you are really going to struggle with gardening. So I know it is tempting to start gardening because down here in Zone 9A, we have like mild winters, even though you get like mild, warmer temperatures, and then sometimes at night the temperatures just goes down to the 30s. You're tempted to grow something outside. Please don't. Just wait until it's spring break, maybe a week or so after spring break, then you can start planting stuff outside. But in the meantime, if you want, you can always start doing something inside, like starting seeds if you want, or propagating something like your bitter leaf, which is what I am fixing to do. I hope this video helped you. I hope you found some value. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips such as this one. Until next time, bye bye.